Hi again, it's me, Elaine Sewell, of, and I'm back here again to do a little quick stocking filler. I just wanted to show you what I did with the card. I put some nice ribbon there to cover up that little mess, but it does look so cute now. Just in case you wondered what I did. Um, so with the other half of the A4 card, we're now going to make a nice little stocking filler, a small gift. I generally send them out each year. So this is what I'm going to do with the next half of the, it's quite mysterious what I'm going to do. So I am going to put it in, make sure I'm not cutting. I'm doing scoring. So this is half a A4. So I'm going to score at 17. I hope I've got this right. Score 17, then we're going to score again at 14, and then we're going to score at 11 centimeters. And then at this end, the longest end, as you can see, I hope you can see that, this end, I'm going to score at 1.7. That's what we need to do. We don't need that now. So I'm going to burnish it, the middle line, so it's folding that way. So it's folding that way. And the other two score lines, I'm going to fold in this way. And the little tab at the top we're going to fold in as well. So it should look like that. I hope you can see that. So it should look like that. Right, so now to decorate it, you don't really need much. So I've already, again, going back to the decor, I'm going to find sort of a central point before I stick it together. That you don't want too much for this decoration wise, so I'm going to put that kind of centrally there on my on the top part with the bit with the flap here, that end, if you're wondering where to put it. But it doesn't matter if you don't do it that way. So I'm putting adhesive on that. So as I said, this is a quick stocking filler, a little gift that you can give somebody if you don't want to give out cards or anything like that. So we have done this. And then we have a little calendar. And that's what I do. Quick, simple gift, 5 minutes. That's it. And then we find the center of that. Pretty. And then glue it there, or you can use double-sided tape. Or I couldn't find my Snell. I don't know what I did with, because that would have been the stronger thing. And we adhere this to the top. And voila, we have a little calendar for your table. That's how you stand up. Quick, easy gift. So together you have your Christmas card and your quick, easy gift. Isn't that So one way to make a small quick kit out of A4 using A4 cards stock. Thank you for watching. See you very soon, sooner than you think. Bye for now.